In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. If you're using an app frequently, if you enable dark mode, this is going to be so much more comfortable for your eyes and your health. So let me show you quickly how to enable it on Facebook. The first thing you will do is go to the Facebook app on your phone. Then you will tap on the menu icon that you will see at the bottom right. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down a little bit and select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you will have different options. Select Dark Mode and then enable it by tapping on On. As you can see, now my screen is dark. You can also enable System. This will mean that the appearance of the app will be changed based on your device's system settings. For most devices, this can mean that during the day, you will see your device as normal, and at night, it will go automatically into dark mode. And that's how easy you can enable dark mode for Facebook. Hope that helps.